Hello and welcome back guys. Today we are here with a new video.
In this video, we will be discussing about some tips for the JEE Advanced Exam 2021. So let's begin with the video. So all these tips are combined effort of us and our batchmates. So these tips work for us and we hope that it will help you too. So let's begin with the tips. So tip number 1 is try to adapt the routine which you will be having on the day of the exam. So in the last few days, just follow the same routine which you will be having on the exam day.
So tip number 2, give 1 or 2 mock tests during the similar timing as of JEE Advanced. Paper 1 from 9 to 12 and paper 2 from 2:30 to 5:30. So it will help in adapting the environment of the exam.
So tip number 3 is your studying part is now over. So don't think about how much syllabus you have done or not. Just relax your mind and just revise the things which you have already done. And you can give mock test just for the routine part so that you are familiar with the routine of the day as I have discussed in the tip number 1.
Tip number 4, stay positive. Even if your mains rank is not good, you can have a good rank at JEE Advanced as both the exam are different. Because I have seen many people scoring 90, 92% can score a decent mark in JEE Advanced. Really, JEE Advanced is a game changer.
Tip number 5 is that don't learn new things because most probably it will be stressing you only. Also, it's not of much profit because in the last 3 days you can't grasp it properly for the advanced level. So that's all for the tip number 5.
Tip number 6, good food, good sleep, and to relax your mind, spend time with your family. For now, you can give importance to your food and sleep. Try to eat less oily food, less spicy food, and take rest for minimum 8 hours, not in the exam hour time.
Tip number 7 is that during the time of exam, read the questions patiently. Patiently doesn't mean slowly, just read it with your full presence of mind. Also recheck the solution after solving so that if you have done any silly mistake, you will find out.
Tip number 8, take tension, but not too much, just enough to make you stay in your path. So believe in yourself. If you have made it till here, you surely have worked hard, and hard work always repays. So stay positive.
So tip number 9 is as the JEE Advanced paper pattern is unpredictable, so read the instructions properly regarding the questions which have negative marking and which don't. From this you can decide which set of questions you have to solve first. And also don't do the guesswork because most of the questions carries negative marking. So even if you are losing a 1 mark, then also it can affect much in your rank. So don't do guesswork. You can do guesswork in the questions which don't have negative marking. So don't waste time in the guesswork mainly. That's all.
So tip number 10, if you are an average student, try to focus on that question that you know well. You don't need to solve whole paper. And for avoid negative marking also, try to focus that question you know well.
Tip number 11 is that it's a myth that JEE Advanced is too difficult to crack. Even if you have prepared only till the mains level, then also you can get a decent rank and get into IIT if you have proper mindset and proper strategy for attempting the paper.
So tip number 12, don't overthink about the exam. What will happen, what will not. Just stay positive, stay focused, and give your exam like a warning.
At last, I will conclude this video by saying that a smart person will follow all the tips which are discussed in this video, and the genius will try to evolve these tips according to his behavior so that he or she can get a maximum performance on the day of exam. So that's all for the video. We both hope to see you at IST.
So best wishes for your exam and subscribe to IST Insider.